तुम मुझे राम की याद दिलाते हो। यू रिमाइंड मी ऑफ राम। यू रिमाइंड मी ऑफ राम। तुम क्या देख रहे हो? वट आर यू लुकिंग एट? वट आर यू लुकिंग एट? मुझे भी ठीक वैसा ही लगता है। आई फील एग्जैक्टली द सेम वे। आई फील एग्जैक्टली द सेम वे। मेरे ऊपर से अपना हाथ हटाओ। गेट योर हैंड्स ऑफ मी। गेट योर हैंड्स ऑफ मी। मैंने वैसा ही किया जैसा कहा गया था। I did as I was told. I did as I was told. तुमने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you wake me up? Why did you not wake me up? उसकी नाक बह रही है। His nose is running. His nose is running. इन लोगों को अपना काम करने दो। Let these people do their work. Let these people do their work. पैसे पेड़ पर नहीं उगते। Money does not grow on trees. Money does not grow on trees. तुमको इतना समय क्यों लगा? What took you so long? What took you so long? क्या आप इस समय व्यस्त हैं? Are you busy at the moment? Are you busy at the moment? मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गया था। I was stuck in traffic. I was stuck in traffic. जल्दी से नहा लो। Take a shower quickly. Take a shower quickly. मेरा मजाक उड़ाना बंद करो। Stop making fun of me. Stop making fun of me. मुझे तुम्हारी बहुत याद आती है। I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. तुम्हें हो क्या गया है? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? मुझे अब तुम्हारी जरूरत नहीं है। I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. मैंने कभी भी तुमसे ये उम्मीद नहीं की थी। I never expected this from you. I never expected this from you. तुम माफी के लायक नहीं हो। You don't deserve forgiveness. You don't deserve forgiveness. मुझे ऐसे लोग पसंद नहीं है। I don't like such people. I don't like such people. इस गलती के लिए मैं तुम्हें कभी माफ नहीं करूंगी। I will never forgive you for this mistake. I will never forgive you for this mistake. तुम बेकार ही गुस्से हो रहे हो। You are getting angry for nothing. You are getting angry for nothing. कमरे में एकदम सन्नाटा है। There is pin drop silence in the room. There is pin drop silence in the room. क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? What's going on? तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Who are you talking to? उसे क्या हुआ? What happened to him? What happened to him? क्या वो फिर से फेल हो गया है? Has he failed again? Has he failed again? तुम मुझे मूर्ख क्यों बना रहे हो? Why are you fooling me? Why are you fooling me? आपको वहां जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You need not to go there. You need not to go there. मुझे कुछ समय दो. Give me some time. Give me some time. मुझे दोबारा कभी फोन मत करना. Don't ever call me again. Don't ever call me again. देखो तुमने क्या किया. Look what you did. Look what you did. मैं आपकी आवाज नहीं पहचान पाया. I didn't recognize your voice. I didn't recognize your voice. तुम मेरी बात क्यों नहीं सुनते? Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? तुम हमेशा परेशानियां पैदा करते हो. You always create troubles. You always create troubles. तुमने मास्क क्यों नहीं पहना? Why did you not wear a mask? Why didn't you wear a mask? क्या तुमने अपने हाथ धोए? Did you wash your hands? Did you wash your hands? आपको बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. You should not go out. You should not go out. अब तुम कहाँ जाओगे? Where will you go now? Where will you go now? ये सड़क कहाँ जाती है? Where does this road go? Where does this road go? ये रास्ता सुरक्षित है. This route is safe. This route is safe. मैं इस पर विश्वास नहीं करता. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. इसमें कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? चलो वहां बैठकर बात करते हैं. Let us sit there and talk. Let us sit there and talk. आपसे बात करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. Talking to you is of no use. Talking to you is of no use. वो अपने कुत्ते को खाना खिलाना भूल गया. He forgot to feed his dog. He forgot to feed his dog. आज के बाद मैं उससे नहीं मिलूंगा. From today onwards, I will not meet her. From today onwards, I will not meet her. मैं तुम्हारे बिना अकेला महसूस करता हूं. I feel lonely without you. I feel lonely without you. कतार बहुत लंबी है. Queue is too long. क्यू इज टू लॉन्ग। उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे। He had no money. He had no money. मेरी घड़ी खराब है। My watch is out of order. My watch is out of order. ये करना ही होगा। It has to be done. It has to be done. वो फिल्म डरावनी थी। That movie was a scary. That movie was a scary. आपकी आवाज कट रही है। Your voice is breaking up. Your voice is breaking up. प्लीज फोन मत रखना। Please do not hang up. Please do not hang up. मेरी बैटरी खत्म हो गई है। My battery is dead. My battery is dead. आप मुझसे नाराज हैं क्या? Are you annoyed with me? Are you annoyed with me? तुम्हें जो भी चाहिए ले लो। Take whatever you need. Take whatever you need. मेरे वापस आने तक यहीं रुको। Wait here till I come back. Wait here till I come back. मैं उसके तरह स्वार्थी नहीं हूं। I am not selfish like him. I am not selfish like him. ये शर्ट कितनी की है? What is the cost of this shirt? What is the cost of this shirt? मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूं। I am asking you something. I am asking you something. मेरी चिंता मत करो। Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. इसमें मेरा कोई कसूर नहीं है। It is not my fault. It is not my fault. ये सच कह रहा है। He is telling the truth. He is telling the truth. अपने बालों में कंघी करो। Comb your hair. Comb your hair. बाद में मिलते हैं। See you later. See you later. कल मिलते हैं। See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. जल्दी फिर मिलेंगे। See you soon. See you soon.